Please, this is the railway station, Belgaum. The train on platform number
Train is at 10:30, 180.
What if a train ticket elicited more hope than the lottery? And what if your investment in a tiny ticket will be recouped by new experiences, emotions, and memories? What if you get to know that boundaries are disappearing? All people smile, eat, work, love, have fun, and just live. And what if, in these most basic acts of human nature, humanity knows no divisions? What if you let yourself plunge into another reality? Another religion? Another routine? And what if this appears to be bright and vivid? What if you also can plunge into the atmosphere of the wilderness with sparkling oceans, endless beaches, lush green valleys, and marvelous rainforest, with beautiful creatures and timeless ruins? It's about eternity, something that has been here before us and will be here after us. What if the time has come to stop wasting life and start living life right now? What if it's time to realize that life begins at the end of your comfort zone? What if